V1 come in, vlogger master. I'm here with one more people, one more big vlog. The people come talk about Busy Signal, big bad song, Jamaica Love. You see me I say, yard man can relate to the song. The people, we're going to check out the song right now, people. All Jamaican, raise the flag high. All yard man, one day. The real yard man them, yo, link up the comment section. You see me I say, you know what I go on. Me love Jamaica, never sell out. Yes, me I say this is my birth land. Yes, me I say right now, people, we can feel the song and the song really start with it. Yes, me I say, cause man, I fully Jamaican, real yard man.
Them try clip we wings so we can't fly out. But when we there a yard, nothing nice like Jamaica. Roast breadfruit and banana.
Yeah man, right now, Trump as a boy right now, I say, he might shut down on visa and thing, but one thing, yes me I say, we love yard. Yes me I say, roast breadfruit and banana, we have everything done as a virgin. Yes me I say, we have a good weather. Everything done as a, so we don't care, we love yard. All yard man link up.
Under the tree with a glass of lemonade.
Under the tree with a glass of lemonade. If me I say, all Jamaican can relate it. Yes me I say, Jamaican link up the comment section. Yes me I say, yeah man.
Jumping at the river when me ready for bathe.
Jumping at the river when me ready for bathe. Yes me I say, people, yeah man, Jamaica land blessed. We're blessed in Jamaica. Believe that we're full of food and water, everything down here.
No boy can buy me out. Me no foreign minded, nowhere compared to Jamaica.
Yeah man, no boy can buy me up, brethren. Nowhere in this world can compare Jamaica. Yes me I say, my birth land, me love Jamaica to the fullest.
Jamaica love, we wanna feel Jamaica love.
Jamaica love, there is no other love but Jamaica love. You see me I say?
Everybody wanna visit Jamaica.
Everybody want to come to Jamaica, the whole world want to Jamaica. You see me I say, Jamaica nice. You see me I say, are the best land on earth, brethren. Jamaica.
Jamaica love, Jamaica, Jamaica love. We wanna see Jamaica love.
Jamaica love. Yo, yard man, Jamaican. Best just link up the comment section. Let me know which part of Jamaica you come from, brethren. You see me I say, yeah man.
That one that represent the citizens of Jamaica. Jamaica.
Yeah man, big up all Jamaican brethren. Yes me I say, all the people who live in Jamaica and who they are abroad from Jamaica, big up on the service. Yes me I say, let me know which part over the road on the day as a Jamaican. Yes me I say, yeah.
Love Jamaica. Represent where you're born. True love, hurricane and storm.
Represent we are born, brethren, through enough hurricane and storm. Yes me I say, Melissa just come and we still there same way. Yes me I say, Jamaica man.
I'm the crime rate chop when I'm at about that man still a hustle hard and a gone.
Yeah man, right now the crime rate drop. Yes me I say, we are going good. Yes me I say, but still a hustle. You see it? We still a make the money. Yes me I say, things are going on in Jamaica. One love Jamaica.
Jamaican have the link to the link. Bigger than Canadian, American, England. Make sure say when you do a foreign and a hustle, mama visit Western Union.
Yeah man, all Jamaican who are foreign and hustle and make money, send my money a yard. Yes me I say, send my money to the people, the mother, father. Yes me I say, buy land, build house. Yes me I say, what business. Yes me I say, build up Jamaica.
Come we build up the foundation. All yard man, so we have ambition. Don't fly.
All yard man, brethren, we have ambition. Yes me I say, big up yard man, them we know in the brethren.
So all the money back, it's a straight anything. Guns and ammunition. Real Jamaican on the show me you want. No matter.
Yo, real Jamaican, you wanna show money on people. Yes me I say, let's link up the comment section. Yo, the song a bad, brethren, me can feel the song yo. The song a powerful. Busy Signal, big up yourself, brethren. You are one of the best ever, brethren. Yes me I say, you're one of the best Jamaican artists ever, brethren. Big up yourself, Busy Signal.
I wish partner the world where you stand. Me no matter what them want say about Jamaica, me sing it out loud, come me proud to be one.
Me no care what else about Jamaica, brethren. Love Jamaica. Anyway, we gonna big up Jamaica. We sing it out loud because we love yard.
Jamaica love, we wanna feel.
Jamaica love, man. I tell you, say, yo, believe with a song a bad, brethren. Me feel good for you not feel vlog a song right now.
Jamaica love, everybody wanna visit Jamaica.
Everybody wanna come to Jamaica. Everybody, the whole world love Jamaica. You see, so we are Jamaican, we have to love Jamaica, original. We have to love Jamaica first.
Jamaica love, Jamaica, Jamaica love.
Yeah, man, right now, them say them you know, cut off visa from we and be things, you know, so we say, yo, it no matter, can't stop, man like me, we are reborn yard, man, that can't conquer me, you see it? Full of food, full of river, full of everything down as a virgin. So, you can't keep on one, keep on the visa, it no matter me.
We wanna see Jamaica love, that one that represent the city.
Yeah, man, I'm a foreign man, really hard man, 100% hard man.
Citizens of Jamaica, Jamaica love, Jamaica. Big up the youths for one car glass. Youth we are trying always to come last.
Yo, big up the youth them brethren when I street out a wife car glass. You see me I say stay strong. Big up the youth them who try and still come last. You see me I say at least you not try brethren. You see it, and life is the greatest. One of life, nothing to beat that. So keep going on the brethren.
Don't give up, Jimmy Cliff, tell them many rivers to cross.
Yeah man, don't give up man. Jimmy Cliff don't tell we. There are many rivers to cross. Lot of rivers to cross, brethren. You see, so let's stay strong and cross rivers.
But your sister if she get lost, don't turn your face to the grass and pass.
Yeah man, help your sister if she get lost, man. It's me I say people, don't turn from a family member. Yes, me I say help each other. You see it?
Show love to the elders, respect you, can them pave the way in the past.
Yeah man, and show love to the elders them, because them there before we. You see it, and them pave the ways. So all the elders big up on themselves and one love. You see it?
Some man go on like say them better than people, through them a drive a one vehicle.
Yeah man, yeah, some man, I got them better than people, through them drive a one vehicle. You see it? But for we don't work so. I just one love to everybody. One Jamaica.
They make the move evil, it's easy if your camel pass through the eye of the eagle. And the rich because sit down in every damn pitch. That not work.
Yeah man, it's me I say people, the poor man, you see me I say, I even go through the high of the nigga brethren, the rich man now go through it. You see it? Because the rich man, only thing in place of money, vanity, material thing. You see me? We people when it's poor, I love we show to each other. Believe that.
And you me ever hungry again, me I walk and look for every hockey tree me I say Jamaica.
This signal, hey, this bad brethren, anytime I'm hungry brethren, I walk and look and be a hockey tree. You see it? Because right now Jamaica is full of hockey tree, breadfruit tree, full of beer, food tree brethren. You see it? Food there enough.
We wanna feel Jamaica love.
Yeah, man, Jamaica love man. Big up Jamaica. Love Jamaica.
Everybody wanna visit Jamaica.
Well done, busy signal. Big song. You see me I say brethren? Yeah man.
Jamaica love, Jamaica, Jamaica love. We wanna see
Jamaica love. Yo, man, I tell you, yo. Song on the normal, brethren. Love that song, man.
the one that represent the citizens of Jamaica.
Citizen of Jamaica. Big up on yourself. That's the song I represent to you. Yes, man, I say? Yeah, man. One love.
Jamaica love, Jamaica. Me love Jamaica, me not sell out. Them try clip with wings, so we can't fly out.
Yeah, man. We love Jamaica. We not sell out. Then try to clip with wing, so we can't fly out. Yes, man, I say? But we still be a yard. I live good and live. Yes, man, I say? Yeah, man.
But when we there a yard, nothing nice like Jamaica. Roast breadfruit and banana.
Yeah, man, roast breadfruit and banana. Hey, I tell you, yo, the life is sweet in Virgin. When in Jamaica, we get together and we are roast breadfruit. Yes, me I say, 100 breadfruit in the fire and food a cook, body a talk and enjoy themselves. Yes, me I say, them live it here we live in Jamaica, Virgin.
Under the tree with a glass of lemonade, jumping at the river when me ready for beer.
Yeah, man, under the tree, man, with a cool glass of lemonade. Yes, me I say, jumping at the river when ready for beer. Yo, them life is sweet, Virgin. Hey, Jamaica. I tell you, yo, nothing but love, man. One love, more love. You see me I say?
No boy can buy me out. Me no foreign minded, nowhere compared to Jamaica.
Yeah, man, be a signal and can't buy up. Be the signal. We not sell out Jamaica. Jamaica full.
Jamaica love. We wanna feel Jamaica love.
Yeah, man, people make me know one thing on the song in the comment section. If me say people, I'm gonna like up the song and song a big song people. I love it. If me I say, yeah, man.
Everybody want.
Them song have to go to 1 billion views, trillion views. I'm saying a big song, I'm saying a worth it, Virgin.
Visit Jamaica, Jamaica love, Jamaica, Jamaica love.
Jamaica love.
We wanna see Jamaica love.
No love like Jamaica love.
The one that represent the citizens of Jamaica.
Yeah, man, big up all the yard man, them, anyone in them, man. Yes, man, I say, anyone in the cross the world, man. In a yard, big up on yourself, man.
Jamaica love, Jamaica.
man, so people me say, me know one thing on the song. If I say, and all Jamaican, make me know which part on the day, which part in the yard you come from, which part in the road on the day. Yes, me I say, me know in the comment section, vlogger, master.